Namaste and very good evening from India, ladies and gentlemen. This is yours truly, Digvijay Vanchu, and I want to welcome you to the Bangalore edition of Flutter Engage Extended Meetup. Uh, since you already know how the what kind of condition the world is in right now, well, Google used to have these extravagant events that would, be full of new reveals and all these things. But since they could not really do it in person, Flutter Engage was their way of telling the world what's new in the world of Flutter, and here we are doing our part to spread it across the world and through our own quarters and our own means. So I just want to welcome all the viewers and everybody to this event, and thank you so much for taking out the time and joining us. I know people are joining us from all across the globe, and some are really up really late or really early, so we really appreciate that. Flutter 2 is finally here. Tim really nailed the keynote at the actual event, so please forgive me if I'm not half as good as him, but I'll try. So, to begin with, this edition is one of the many extended events that are happening across the world in many countries, uh, organized by the wonderful global representatives of the Flutter community that we are so proud to be a part of. It's been 2 years since Flutter was shown to the world, and we have truly come so far now that I don't even remember what the very first Flutter version looked like. But that could be my memory too, but it has been an absolute pleasure to see the Flutter team really put their heart and soul into this project and bring it to where it is today. Speaking of contributors, we are going to be joined today by some of the most amazing and brilliant minds in the Flutter community, and I just cannot wait to have a chat with them today in front of all of you guys. So let me just take this very quick moment to slide in a shameless plug about Geeky Ants and Flutter BLR and talk about what we are and what this is all about. So as Geeky Ants, we have been working with Flutter since it was released in its beta stage, and we have built a lot of things and broke way more things than we have built in order to really truly understand this new piece of technology that was presented to us. We built starter kits and launched an entire marketplace revolving around them, which were very well received. We have done tons of in-house experiments and open source contributions since then. We have also had the opportunity to meet the Flutter team in their own turf and had the chance to contribute to the official documentation of Flutter. Yep, we're right there. So right then we knew that we had to spread the word about Flutter everywhere, and that is when we established Flutter BLR, which is our local meetup group in Bangalore. We have been doing these meetups ever so often since, and here we are today talking about the latest developments in Flutter together. Well, enough about us. Let's walk through the agenda for today. We are going to be welcoming Devanand, who is going to be talking about the Flutter Engage recap. He's going to be telling you about what happened at the actual event and what all new announcements were made during that event. We are joined by Hasnan Tai, who is going to be talking about his newfound obsession with Material Button. We're going to be joined by Thomas Buckart, who is going to be talking about his newest project, Get It, and show it to all of you in action. We are also going to be joined by Manas Pratap Thakur, who is going to be talking about developing blockchain with Flutter, which he recently wrote an article on. And towards the end, we will have a Q&A session with Mariam Hasnani and Thomas Burkhardt. So please tune in. We have an amazing lineup for you guys, and we are really excited to present this show to you today. Before we officially begin, of course, just a few rules and a code of conduct that needs to be followed. Of course, it is very important for all of us to be friendly with our fellow viewers. Please refrain from any hate speech, any racism, or inappropriate comments in the chat messages. Keep it light, keep it friendly, keep it simple. Of course, we understand that you might have a lot of questions for all of our presenters and the people who are going to be joining us today. So do leave your questions in the comment section, and we will surely get them answered for you. But do not please spam your questions. We will get to them eventually. And of course, I mean, it comes without saying that it is very important to adhere to this code of conduct and these rules, because not adhering to these might get you banned temporarily from the chat, and nobody wants that. So of course, before we move on with the show, please do remember to tweet about what you see and keep everyone else in the loop to use the hashtag FlutterBLR. That's FLUTTERBLR, and let the world know what we are doing here today. So without any further delays, let's talk about what happened at the actual Flutter Engage event with Devanand.